In this video, I am showing you how you can add more than one photo on one Facebook story. So firstly, what you need to do is you have to open your Facebook app and then tap on the Stories tab, and then you can tap on the Create Story. Here you can choose the photo, or you can also record the video. So let's see, I choose this photo. By holding your two fingers, you can resize it, or you can place it at anywhere that you want. And after that, what you can do is you can also add more photo by tapping on the emoji icon in the top right corner. And here you can also tap on the this gallery like icon under the pole, and then here you can see the your camera roll. You can choose all the photos. You can choose this photo. You can also resize this photo. Tap on the emoji and then tap on the gallery. You can also resize this. You can also choose this photo. So you can resize it by holding your two fingers, or you can replace it, and then you can also add another photo by tapping on the emoji icon in the top right corner, and then tap on this gallery button. And here you can scroll down and you can also choose this photo. So that's it, that how you can choose all these photos. So how you can add more than one photo on Facebook story. So that's it, that how you can do this. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.